Hello guys and girls, and welcome to another Wheelie Goood tutorial. Today I want to show you guys a feature available in Microsoft Office. I believe this is a feature that can be used across the board, so both on Windows and Mac operating systems. The only thing that will vary in this instance is the layout and how you access this particular feature. Yes, today I'm going to show you guys how you can create a watermark for your precious content that you would like to protect from copyright plagiarism violation. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that right now. So we need to go ahead and launch Microsoft Office. As always, I'm gonna type in a very cute little welcome message for you guys. Let's say I wanted to protect this for some reason from plagiarism. You can do this in the comfort of your own home with just a click of a mouse. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to create a watermark. Let's do that. Head over to Insert, click on Watermark, and now you see we have a window of options to choose from. We can either add a watermark to a picture. In this instance, we're going to watermark a text document. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to change the pre-noted text to my channel name, and obviously, as you can see, we need to format this just a tiny little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and change the font style to Impact because I really like that one. I'm gonna go ahead and change the color to red, and I'm gonna go ahead and make this diagonal. Now you also have the option to adjust the transparency of this little watermark here. This is useful when you want the reader to actually see what's behind the watermark. Barely legible, but if you really are serious about protecting your content, I suggest leaving this alone. This is not only good for copywriting material, I believe teachers would also use this to leave students little messages after grading papers and saying the second draft is due ASAP, as you saw there before I actually changed the text to my channel name. If we use the drop down arrow here, you also have a list of preloaded watermarks which you can use where appropriate. As you can see, sample, top secret, that is if you're in the MI5. I'm not, so it's pretty useless to me. Urgent, do not copy, that's kind of obvious. Or this could be a copy to a draft. I have no idea. Even confidential. Not anymore, you're not. I want that paper ASAP. We'll see what this text looks like. Now, obviously, this would be more effective if this entire page was covered in text. So, just to show you what that looks like, I'm going to copy and paste this little sentence that I had earlier, just to show you what it could actually look like. This is like writing 50 Shades of Grey 50 times. I wonder if I can do it across as well. Oops. Oh, I keep pressing Command S when I want to use Command A. I'm going to make this text a little bigger, just to fill the page a little bit. Let's go one more. Yeah, that's it. This is what a watermark document would look like. I've done this for myself previously with other projects that I've worked on, but yeah, I just thought this would be really cool to show you guys. If you want to be extra cautious, you can save this document and make it password protected, as well as a read-only document. So I'm going to just save this right here. Now, creating a read-only document is different to how I imagined, because on Windows platforms you could just easily make those changes in the Save As panel when you go into options here, but it seems as though you can't do that. So what you need to do is, as this document is saved onto the desktop here, we go into Finder, find that document, right click. Just so you know, the watermark is still there, it just won't show in the preview pane on the side here, so don't worry, it's still saved and labeled. We right click and head into Get Info. Now in this Get Info panel, you have to check Locked. I don't know why Microsoft have decided to do it this way for Apple, but it's kind of tedious, but it still works. Now that we've locked that document, as you can see, there's a little padlock. I wish I could zoom in a little more. There you go. I'll zoom in like this. The padlock's here, right? We exit this, go back into Word. Go back into Word, File, Save As, and then we go into Options, click Show All, head into Security, and check Read Only Recommended. And this is where you can have your document password protected. Let's just do that for demonstration purposes. Protect document. Now, again, you have the option to decide if you want the reader to be able to track changes, make comments, and edit specific areas of the document, then you make sure that you click on either one of the three. I think this is fairly useful if a teacher was to send an assignment over to a student. I want to make this document a read-only document, so I'm going to do that. Enter my password here. It asks you to re-enter it just to verify, and we just okay. Confirm password yet again. It's a little OCD. There you go. Now we save. Okay. It's asking for a new name, so I'm just gonna put an exclamation mark to avoid that error message. Now, if we were to quit Word, you can see we had to create a new save file. Let's go ahead and click on this locked file and see what happens. Did it work? I sure hope so. Yay! Let's enter the password again. Yep. Ta-da! And that is how you create a watermark and a read-only document. I just want to show you guys how you can revert these changes and remove the password. Let's go ahead and do that. So if we head back into Finder and look for that document, get info here, and then actually it's the wrong one. I need this one. Uncheck locked, and then we head back into the save panel, go into options, show all, security, read only, unprotect document. Now again, obviously it will ask you for the password that you created for this document to remove the protection, which is to be expected really. Uncheck read only recommended and okay right there. It will ask you to change the name. For time, I'm just gonna go ahead and add another exclamation mark. To remove the password, you will need to go into the Save panel of Microsoft Word. Head over to Show All and click on Security. Delete the password written here. So yeah, let's do that. Now, let's try and quit. There you go, your padlock is removed and we have an unlocked document. I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. That is it for today. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. It really does help me out. I know a lot of YouTubers say this. It just sounds like a load of hullabaloo, but it really isn't. It really does help me out when you guys support me. If you have any tutorial or how-to requests for Apple Macs, iPhones and iOS devices, remember to let me know in the comments below. Drop me an email. Same goes for Let's Plays. If you want to see me play a particular game and actually do a walkthrough, please do let me know, because I do love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. Until next time, guys and girls, this is B signing off.